Hello to all my friends out there. So, I was at the laundromat and I just subscribed to Homestead Tessie Mobile. And here is one of the videos that I posted on my Twitter for you guys to see. Mobile home living, second class citizen, lower class living, the lies, the myths. Okay, I think what is going to happen is the cost of living is going to go up and the dollar isn't going to go as far. And so I was watching a video on washing in a bucket. So I decided to do my own laundry video. So I had these containers and I saved one, and in this one I put laundry detergent. And so one of the ladies I follow, Dia's Frugal Life, said this stuff can be used for dish soap. I don't want to use this stuff for dish soap, but if something happened and I had 11 days left until payday and just a few dollars, I would use this stuff. So when I stockpile, I buy two. One of the things I'm thinking of at Costco is the big laundry detergent. They come in big buckets. And then this is laundry booster, and I noticed, wow, I don't have very much booster left. So what I bought, this one, you get a nice big box. And so then I like to pour it in here so that my nice big box doesn't get messed up. So so it's about to here. So now I want to stockpile up some laundry stuff, some toilet paper, some stuff like that, so I don't run the risk of running out. I bought those at 99 cents only when I couldn't get this one. Okay, so now there's another thing you can do. And this is a good idea too. You can use, for cleaning and probably for laundering, 1/2 cleaning vinegar and 1/2 dish detergent if you didn't have any detergent. And you can also use this for cleaning. And I have been cleaning all kinds of stuff with it. So I stockpiled, well, I could find the 50-ounce ones, 2 of them, and I bought one of these. I still have a little left. This comes in a gallon. I'll be trying to get that. Okay, another thing you can do is you can use bleach. Like say if you had some filthy thing and you ran out of bleach, you can use Comet in place of bleach. Okay, another thing is if your clothes are really filthy and you pre-wash them, then your clothes are going to get a lot cleaner. So, or, you know, if you don't have that much money, you don't want to spend your last $20. And this is where I was really going with this video. One more thing. I found the big trash bags, and so when I was cleaning my eBay and my swap meet inventory, I put the stuff in big garbage bags because I don't want my house to smell like a thrift store. So I contain this stuff, and it was a lot of work, but it's over now, so all's good. Okay, so now, 2 things. One, if you have a few clothes, you can put your clothes in a bucket and fill it, you know, full, but make sure you have water and detergent. And then you can do the agitation with a plunger. But the other thing you can do is you can throw the clothes in the bathtub, and you want to use hot water, and you can agitate the clothes, and you know, you can scrub the dirty parts out. And if you have something really filthy, if you let that sit in bleach and, you know, laundry detergent, it should pretty much get the germs out. So you can do that for a small load in a bucket. And then, you know, you can wring the stuff out, same thing in the bathtub. And then, you know, just fill the bathtub or the bucket with water, preferably warm, and, you know, let it rest there and agitate it. And then repeat until the water is clear. So you can save yourself a few dollars right before payday. So I just wanted to get my laundering tip in again. I have a lot of new followers, you guys. I bought some tasty peanut brittle, and then I have for Thanksgiving a little box, in case some of you haven't seen it. Now this would make a great gift box. One of the followers mentioned at their church they create gift boxes. So in my box I have some candy, so this will go with my pumpkin pie. Okay, I switched my menu up, and so I wanted cornbread stuffing. So turkey and cornbread stuffing. I have some cranberry sauce. Ooh. I have some fruit cocktail. I might come up with some kind of, I have some onions. You know I have plenty of green beans. If I do that, I'm not sure. I have some yams. And I have some chicken broth. And I have some pumpkin that I got marked down and some oven bags. But this would also make a great gift box if you were so inclined. If you had some needy friends or somebody. So what I want to do this year is I want to create a Thanksgiving dinner similar to this. I can't go to Hawaii, so I will make my own. A lot cheaper too. Whole roast turkey, gravy, garlic mashed potatoes, macadamia nut cornbread sausage stuffing, and there's a recipe on my Twitter. Go Rotostone Twitter. Candied yams, cranberry pineapple relish, and I found a Jell-O salad that was kind of similar. King's Hawaiian sweetbread rolls, and pumpkin pie. So, you guys, it's getting festive at my house. I hope it is getting festive at your house. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And God bless you all.